so we have our hard-boiled eggs. Go ahead and grab one, and we're just gonna pop that yolk right out with each of our eggs, just like this, quickly. Once the yolks are out, let's put those to the side. Let's grab some flour, some eggs, some melted butter, and what we're gonna add to that melted butter is some panko crumbs. We're gonna add a lot to that. That's half a stick of butter, and we're gonna do about half of this container. Give that a good mix. And now we are ready for those hard-boiled eggs. So we don't need yolks, we need scrambles. Perfect. All right, in the flour. Give it a little tap tap. In the eggs. And then in those breadcrumbs, cover them up. Beautiful. Okay, we have all these already ready. We're gonna pop these right in the air fryer. So I have my air fryer cover ready in there, and we're just gonna throw these in super quick. These are gonna be like some fried deviled eggs, and they're gonna be life-changing, I swear. Way better than regular deviled eggs, and so easy. Okay. Plop these in. Turn this on. Air fry. We're gonna do 380 for just 4 minutes. And then start. All right, while that's in the air fryer, I'm gonna grab those egg yolks. I'm gonna get some mayo. I have the olive oil kind because it's a little bit healthier. And we are just gonna add about half a cup of mayo in there. Grab some mustard. You can use Dijon, but I'm just using the yellow mustard. Make it a little bit more affordable. And just a little bit of mustard. I would say that's about 3 tablespoons. Get some onion powder. Perfect. Just a nice sprinkle. And then we're gonna mix all of that together. Make sure those egg yolks really get mashed, because we don't want big chunks of egg yolks. We want a nice deviled egg consistency, because we are making those delicious fried deviled eggs. It's gonna be so good. And this little deviled egg yolk recipe is so simple, but it tastes really good. You don't need more than just those 3 ingredients added to your yolks for a delicious, deviled egg recipe. Once it looks like this, we're gonna go ahead and put it in our piping bag. All right, this is ready. Now let's grab those egg whites right from our air fryer. Look how crispy and delicious those look. And we're just gonna put them right on our serving platter. Oh, they're so crispy, you guys. I'm so excited to try these. Now it's time to grab our egg yolks and just pipe right on there. And if you don't have a piping bag, you can use a Ziploc. You can just scoop the egg yolk mixture in there, but I just like a pretty presentation. So I do the piping bag with the tip to make sure my guests are impressed. with this presentation. Oh, don't those just look so good? Of course, we gotta top it with some paprika. Just a light sprinkle from up above. Nothing crazy. Gorgeous. And this is gonna be optional, but I'm choosing to do it. We got some fresh chives here. Just grab a few. 2 should be plenty. And we're just gonna cut some right on top of our deviled eggs, just like this. All right. You cannot tell me these don't look incredible. Let's go ahead and try one out. So easy, just your air fryer. Oh my, I'm so excited. Oh, that is the best thing I've ever eaten.